Jovine claims quantum AI stocks will make trillions and explode 29,000%. However, Jovine won't reveal these stocks unless you pay him nearly $2,500. The good news is I figured out the stocks he's pitching based on the clues in the presentation, and I reveal them in this video for free. Just drop a like and subscribe if you appreciate me saving you thousands of dollars. Because there's multiple stocks to uncover, we're just going to jump right into things. When Jovine says quantum AI, he just means quantum computing. The clues for the first quantum computing stock is, according to Jovine, they have developed what could be the most powerful quantum computer on the planet. They have partnered with pharma giants like AbbVie, BioNano, and Amgen. Additionally, they provide cloud-based quantum AI tools at a tiny fraction of the cost. And lastly, company insiders own 68% of all shares. The stock being pitched here is IonQ, and the ticker is also IonQ. I personally give IonQ a sell rating. If you believe in quantum computing, IonQ might make sense as a very long-term hold. Its valuation is much better now than it was a year ago, so it's at a discount compared to then. However, I just don't see the need to buy this stock right now. Its financials are horrible, and nobody really knows when quantum computing will be commercially viable. Could be in 5 years, or it could be in 10 years. Let's dive deeper into this stock now. IonQ is burning through a significant amount of cash. As of June 2024, the company had $419 million in cash, with a yearly burn rate of about $118 million. While this gives IonQ a cash runway of around 3 years, the fact that their cash burn increased by 86% year over year raises red flags. This accelerated cash usage can limit IonQ's ability to expand without diluting shareholders through additional funding rounds. IonQ stock is currently trading around $7.50 as of September 2024, which is below the analyst price target range of $8 to $18. Although the average price target suggests a potential upside, the volatility and uncertainty in the quantum computing space make it difficult to confidently rely on these forecasts. The low end of the target, at $8, suggests there might not be much room for significant gains. Additionally, quantum computing is still in its infancy, and while IonQ is one of the leaders in this space, the commercial applications of quantum technology are still unclear. Given the heavy cash burn and the speculative nature of the industry, this creates a high-risk scenario for investors. The company is also facing stiff competition from tech giants like IBM and Google, who have far more resources at their disposal. While IonQ shows potential in quantum computing, the financial metrics and speculative nature of the industry suggest it is too early for investors to feel confident. The high cash burn, low stock price relative to projections, and competition make this stock a sell for those who are risk-averse and looking for more stable investments. According to my favorite stock research tool, which is Seeking Alpha, IonQ is the 22nd best stock in the technology hardware, storage, and peripherals industry, and the number one stock in this industry is Seagate Technology Holdings, which is a mass data storage company. According to the quants at Seeking Alpha, Seagate has a worse valuation but is better in terms of growth, profitability, and momentum. The quants at Seeking Alpha switched from hold to strong buy for Seagate in May 2024 when the stock was at $93. The stock is at $101 right now, meaning it has gained 8% since getting a strong buy signal from Seeking Alpha, which is beating the market in that time period. If you'd like to test out Seeking Alpha's quants for yourself, click the link in the description to try their research tool for free for 7 days. If you'd prefer Seeking Alpha to do all the work and make stock picks for you, click the link in the description to check out their stock picking service called Alpha Picks. I reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and Alpha Picks performs the best by far. Since its inception over 2 years ago, it has more than doubled the returns of the market. And if you click the link in the description, you get $50 off this amazing service. So go ahead and click that link and take advantage of this deal. Let's look at the clues for the second quantum AI stock Jovine is recommending that he calls a pick and shovel play with 10x potential. The first clue for this stock is that it makes something all quantum computers need, which is cryogenics. Quantum computers need to be at negative 400 degrees to work, so cryogenics is a must for these computers. Additionally, according to Jovine, they're the premier manufacturer of quantum cooling systems. On top of this, this company has an industry outside of cryogenics and released its own quantum chip, and the firm makes specialized testing equipment used for quantum chip development. This company is Rigetti, and the ticker is RGTI. I'm not really bullish on Rigetti either, but I do think it's a slightly better stock than IonQ. This company's growth is just average compared to similar companies, and their financials are currently a disaster. The valuation isn't too bad, but it's not enough to make me recommend this stock. Rigetti Computing has been struggling, with the stock currently trading around 81 cents as of mid-September 2024, reflecting a decline recently. Despite being a pioneer in the quantum computing space, the stock has lost significant value over the past year. Analysts have forecasted substantial upside, with price targets ranging from $2 to $3.50, but this optimism is based on long-term potential rather than immediate gains. One of the major concerns is Rigetti's financials. The company reported revenues of $3.1 million in Q2 2024, but continues to post heavy losses, including a net loss of $20.8 million in Q1. Despite improving its revenue forecast for 2025, the company remains deeply unprofitable, and cash burn is a significant issue. This is particularly worrying as Rigetti continues to rely on external funding, including a recent $75 million funding deal with B. Riley Principal Capital. Another red flag is the insider activity. Several key executives, including the general counsel and other high-ranking individuals, have sold large amounts of stock over the past few months. This signals a lack of confidence from within, which could explain why the stock price remains under pressure despite the company's technological advancements. Rigetti's quantum computing technology holds promise, but its near-term financial struggles and insider stock sales make it a risky investment. For those looking for stability, this stock seems more like a speculative bet, making it a hold or possible even a sell if you prefer to avoid the volatility. The stock may have long-term potential, but right now, the risks outweigh the rewards. Rigetti is in the semiconductor industry, according to Seeking Alpha, and according to their quants, Taiwan Semiconductor is a much better buy compared to Rigetti. TSM is a company I love too, and according to the quants at Seeking Alpha, TSM is better than Rigetti in every factor except for valuation. TSM has gained a lot in the last couple years, and that's made their valuation something investors should consider. The quants at Seeking Alpha first started recommending TSM as a strong buy 5 years ago, and the stock is up a hefty 300% in this time. Once again, these quants are performing better than the market. The last stock Jovine describes as a triple threat AI sleeper play, and this company is AMD. AMD is a great company, and like many chip stocks, it had a great run these last few years. The company is growing quite quickly, and its financials are in good shape. However, with a forward PE of 45, I just think future growth is already priced into the stock. The time to buy AMD was a few years ago, in my opinion. And once again, TSM is considered a better semiconductor stock than AMD. TSM is better in every way, including valuation. And if you really want to make money with the stock market, make sure to click the link in the description to check out Alpha Picks from Seeking Alpha. I've reviewed hundreds of stock picking services, and this one performs the best. Since its inception 2 years ago, it's absolutely been crushing the market and has tripled the returns of the market in that time period. And if you click the link in the description, you get $50 off this service. So make sure to click that link now and start investing the smart way.